Jose here at shredded.com, and today's video I'm going to give you two alternatives to the dumbbell pullover. When we do the pullover, we're lying down on a bench, our arms are overhead, the weight is over here, and then we're pulling the weight over our chest. In this exercise, there's two variations I'm going to show you. We're doing the opposite. Instead of our backs being in a fixed position and the arms moving, now our arms are going to be in a fixed position and we're going to be lifting our body up. So it's going to be a little bit harder due to the fact that you may weigh more than the dumbbells that you actually work with. So the first variation is going to be on a pull-up bar. So just like the dumbbell pullover, you're going to have your arms over your head. And now in order to make this a little bit easier, you're going to bend both knees, and then using your lats, you're gonna pull yourself up. And then slowly bring yourself down. You wanna control that negative, and then repeat it. Okay, so that's the easy version. If you wanna make it a little bit harder, then you can start extending the legs out, and that increases the lever. So you're gonna weigh a little bit more, and then it's gonna be a little bit harder to raise yourself up. So it looks like this. One leg bent, one leg straight. And everything's being controlled by the lats here. My arms are straight. And as always, you want to control that movement. You want to make sure on the way down, your lats are contracting, controlling that negative. Now, if you want to make it even more challenging, then you throw yourself up there, keep both legs straight, and lift yourself up. So that one's really hard. You're basically doing a front lever. Now, the next one is basically the same exercise. However, we're gonna do it up here. So this one's gonna be on the ring. So for this reason, it's gonna be a little harder than that one because the rings are unstable. There's no stability, so your lats have to work a little bit harder, and then each side has to be working individually. Okay, over here, you can assist the weak side can be assisted by the strong side. Over here, it's each side by themselves. So it'll look very similar. And as you can tell, this exercise is hard. I'm breathing heavy. So same thing, hang. You can go ahead and bend both legs and pull up and then come back down slowly. Pull up, down slowly. There you go. Now, when you do both of these exercises, whenever you try them, you want to make sure you don't go all the way up where you're vertical because you're taking out the tension from the lats when you get there. So you want to make it to a point where you're just about getting there vertical, but not completely all the way. That'll keep all the tension in the lats. Now, if you want to make it more of a chest exercise, then you want to bring the arms a little bit closer, and you want to focus more on squeezing the arms towards each other on your way up. Okay, remember the muscles of the chest, one of their functions is to do horizontal adduction of the arms. So even though you're not moving your arms closer to each other because they're anchored, you're still going to be squeezing them together as you go through that motion. That'll make it harder. So those are two alternatives. You have the pull-up bar, you have the rings, two alternatives to the dumbbell pullover. Try them out. Let me know how it goes in the comment section below. And if you like the information in this video, give it a thumbs up. Leave me your comments and questions down below, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. And for more information on gym hacks, DIY projects, and product reviews, make sure you head over to my website, shredded.com. Thanks for watching. I'll catch you on the next one.